Now, before we start talking about specific things that you can adjust in your diet, let's talk about just the general condition of gout, just in case there's anyone out there who doesn't understand what it is. What happens when a person is experiencing gout is there is an inflammation in a specific joint area. That area starts to swell, and there's very intense pain that's associated with that. Usually it turns red and it's very warm to the touch. That swelling and the pain is caused by high levels of uric acid in the body. As that uric acid increases, the uric acid starts to collect in the joints, and as it collects in the joints, crystals begin to form, and those crystals are very painful, especially when the person is moving the joint, because the crystals are hard and it hurts. Usually gout begins in the big toe, in the joint of the big toe where it attaches to the foot, but it can spread to other areas of the body if it's not taken care of. So it's very important that if you are experiencing symptoms of gout, that you do take some proactive steps to try and help get past those symptoms and avoid future gout attacks. So how can a diet help with gout? There are three main reasons. First of all, monitoring what you eat will help to reduce the uric acid from forming in your body. If you can keep those uric acid levels under control, keep those uric acid levels in check, then you're going to definitely be able to control those symptoms. The second reason a gout diet can help is it helps to keep off the excess weight, or even lose weight for that matter. It's been shown that people who are obese or who are carrying around excess weight are more likely to experience gout attacks. So it is important to keep that extra weight off. And then also, monitoring your diet will help improve overall health, which in turn will, keep your immune system strong, and your body will be less likely to, have breakdowns in the joints and stuff. The overall health will definitely be a good benefit for you. Now, if you are experiencing symptoms of gout and you want to adjust your diet, there are a few things that you need to avoid. Basically, any type of food that's high in purines, because those purines can increase the uric acid levels in your body. Mainly purines are found in like seafood and proteins, especially proteins such as kidneys and livers and red meats. So avoid any type of food that has high levels of purines. Also avoid things like asparagus, mushrooms, and spinach. Those can also increase gout symptoms if you eat a lot of those foods. Additionally, you should avoid seafood and avoid all alcohol and soda. It's been found that those higher alcohol levels, or even drinking alcohol or soda on a regular basis, can increase the symptoms or bring on a gout attack for people who are drinking a lot of those items. Now, the most important part here for the gout diet is what you should be eating. It's important that you have lots of complex carbs in your diet. Don't eat the processed carbs, but stick with the complex carbs such as whole grain breads. Include low-fat dairy products in your diet such as milk, cheese, yogurt, and cottage cheese. And also you should be drinking a lot of healthy fluids such as water and natural fruit juices. Try and stay away from the really sugary drinks, or like we talked about, alcohol. And then you should also be eating a lot of produce, especially produce that has dark color, like the dark color fruits. Some people have found that by increasing their consumption of like cherries, for example, will help reduce those gout symptoms, or other dark colored fruits such as grapes and prunes, and, plums and stuff like that. The last thing to keep note of is eat foods with potassium. Bananas, potatoes, avocados, apricots, soybeans, all of those foods contain potassium, and that can help keep those gout attacks away or help you, get past current symptoms that you're experiencing.